Hey, what's up guys? This is Ali from isocialyou.com, and in this video I want to share something really interesting about LinkedIn. First, I saw a lot of LinkedIn marketers and influencers talk about this, but then I've been experimenting on my own on LinkedIn. So first I want to show you some data. So let's go to my LinkedIn profile. In the content, see all activity, and then I'm gonna click on posts, and I've been posting almost daily content on LinkedIn. So here's a post that I created on LinkedIn. It has an image attached to it, which is right here, and look at the reach, 907 views. Now here is another post. This does not have an image, and look at the views, almost 7,000. Here is another post. This does not have an image either, and look at the reach, almost 6,500. Now this is a link, and look at the views or the reach, almost nothing, 176. Another link, very few views. So the trend that I'm seeing, so here's the image post, 557 views, nothing here, no image attached, and almost 6,000 views here. So the key lesson, oh, look at this one. So no image, no links, no videos attached, and look at my view count, almost above 10,000 actually. So it seems like if you're creating content on LinkedIn, which in my opinion everyone should, LinkedIn is changing. It's becoming a professional storytelling platform. So everyone should go to LinkedIn, create daily content, and build your brand on it. But it seems like the best way right now is to not add an image or a link to your posts or to your content that you share on LinkedIn. If you want to share a link to your blog article, then you can put that link in the first comment. But the data that I'm seeing from all these experiments, it seems like LinkedIn's algorithm is in favor of posts that does not have any image attached or any links attached. Now obviously I'm gonna continue doing more testing, but just wanted to share this finding with you and encourage everyone to go to LinkedIn and start building your personal brand. Now make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can get more videos on marketing hacks and experiments.